Hello students, here we are discussing about slope of potential versus current graph. So here when you are talking about this is Ohm's law, okay? So it's what Ohm's law. So based on this, the some conductors, some material, some substances can obey the Ohm's law, some cannot obey the Ohm's law. So which obey the Ohm's law are called ohmic, and next one is what? Which do not obey the Ohm's law are non-ohmic. So if you draw the graph potential versus current, so potential is taken along with the y-axis, current is along with x-axis. So for the ohmic conductors means all the metals, so it is a straight line, okay? So that's what linear, so that's a linear conductors also we can say. So next one for the non-ohmic means what? It's not a straight line, it's a curve. Let us say this. So Ohm's law, so based on this, the conductors are ohmic, okay? Ohmic conductors. Next one is what? Non-ohmic conductors. Non-ohmic conductors. Okay? So ohmic conductors, they obey the Ohm's law. Obey Ohm's law. So they obey Ohm's law. So they do not obey Ohm's law. Okay. So do not obey Ohm's law. Here these are all metals. So this is what? All metals. So these are what? For the semiconductors, like so we can say on this. So next one, here from the when you're talking about this is what? Ohmic and non-ohmic conductors. So for the first one I'm talking about this is what? Ohmic conductors. Ohmic conductors are, so I'm talking about this is what? Potential is taken along with the y-axis, current is taken along with x-axis. So this is what? VI graph, okay? The graph is a straight line which is linear, okay? So I'm choosing about 2 points on this. So here is that, so this is what? It's a I, the next one is I plus delta I. So this is what? It's a V, next one is V plus delta V. So here this, from this graph, here you can say this difference is what? Delta V. This is what? Delta I, which makes an angle theta. So tan theta, which means slope, okay? The slope of VI graph, tan theta is equals to delta V by delta I. So delta V by delta I means what? Which means resistance, okay? So slope of, here you can say slope of VI graph, okay? So V is taken along with the y-axis, I is taken along with x-axis. The slope is equals to, what is this? It's a resistance. So sometimes the question will be asking, when current is taken along with the y-axis and potential is taken along with x-axis, so such a graph gives the slope, it's a reciprocal of resistance, which is conductance, which is denoted by the letter G, okay? So this is, it's a R. And next one, so for here on non-ohmic, so this is non-ohmic conductors. For the non-ohmic conductors are, so here which do not obey Ohm's law, okay? And the graph is drawn, potential is taken along with the y-axis, current is along with x-axis, it's a curve, okay? So there I am choosing about this 2 points on this. So these are the values. Now we can take, it's a I, same like earlier, I plus delta I. This is V plus delta V. The slope is what? This. Here is the theta. Okay. So this we can take about, it's a delta V, it's a delta I. So tan theta is equals to, slope is equals to, what is this? Resistance only, because just we discussed here. That means what? R is equals to delta V by delta I.